agents in general are not only for engineering, right? This is just one small feature of agents. Agents, it's more like thinking of orchestrating everything you need about your large language model, like calling an external service, having multiple LLM calls, like this chain of thought or chain of reasoning, and also calling external APIs, which you might have. So the large language model, the agent, can also interact with those APIs. I think this is more what the agent is. It's like a set of a collection of different functionalities, but it also includes the prompt engineering, because this is just part of how AWS has built those agents. So if you're creating an agent, you need to write the agent description. What is this agent actually doing? Like, is it a support agent who's always friendly and answer questions for a support agent, for example? And then after you create this, AWS is actually doing the prompt engineering for you. And based on your description, it tries to write a good prompt for you, like a prompt template. And this prompt template you can use and further try to optimize, or maybe it's already good enough. So it's not only for prompt engineering, it's more like orchestrating everything which you might need for a large language model. This is stuff which was previously done or is still done usually with using frameworks like LangChain, but this is just a less programmatic way. So it's this no-code solution. You just have your UI where you can define your agent, and you get an API endpoint to call this. If you're doing this yourself with LangChain, you also need to host this LangChain implementation somewhere. So you take care of this API endpoint yourself. So agents are a really nice way. AWS agents are a really nice way to save your development team some time and integrate well with the already existing functionalities on AWS, like RAG, for example, your knowledge base.
The templates this is a description that Sasha was mentioning, that you can define the description, and then AWS will take that, and then it's going to start incorporating to the templates that it has. You, like he was saying, that you can add a knowledge base, guardrail. Oh, these are the advanced prompts. This is what I want to show you with it. This is the templates that Sasha was mentioning. You can modify them, you can modify the parameters, but what I have found is that they are really good to start with. To get you going, they are really good starting point. They're really complex and capture a lot of different scenarios. So different stages. You can see here there are multiple prompts, and so you can just the agent is going to be responsible for orchestrating all of these. And in this case, I have this demo. Claim A5 I'm gonna send it to it, and you will be able to see that it's gonna come back with an answer. Now, with everything, like whether you're doing LangChain, with your Llama Index, or here in Bedrock agents, one important thing is observability of it, to keep an eye. So this is telling me all of this information, and this is not that the model knows about it, is that the model is calling a Lambda function to retrieve this information and then being able to interpret the results, right? But being able to have the observability, and in this case, Bedrock offers that to just have the trace steps. What is the LLM receiving? What is the LLM saying back? How all of this is orchestrated. And so being back and forth and doing all of these different things, what does it look like? And knowing how much, like for those on FinOps, there's a couple of you on FinOps, how much you're spending on these agents. So keep an eye. It's quite powerful. I really like agents.